Welcome to the highly anticipated 5K challenge. This series of videos, webinars, and presentations is going to be directed for those traders out there who are looking to grow a $5,000 account for whatever particular reason that might be. A lot of traders either only have $5,000 or less to trade with, or they have plenty of money and they want to make sure and test the market with a smaller amount of money first, and then just make sure that they can do it with larger sums of money. So what we're gonna do is follow my journey along with some of my absolute best friends, traders, trading buddies, and mentors, a part of Real Life Trading. So that's Tony Palick, Dan Jansen, and we are gonna be going down a route, journey, avenue, path, and adventure to show exactly how you can grow a $5,000 account. And we're gonna be doing that by showing you exactly what we are going to do and the results they're gonna follow. So track this journey, enjoy, have fun, have a blast, and of course, hit us up with any questions. Our emails, contact, and everything is in the description box below. You guys know how YouTube works at this point. If you're interested in the 5K account challenge, hit that subscribe button and continue to follow us along in this journey of greatness and excellence, and of course, life enrichment. All right, you rock.
All right, traders, so we have for the month of May, starting in May, and it will be a 12-month process, so a full year, but we are doing a 5K challenge, so 5K challenge. So the way this works, and it's gonna be myself, Tony, and Jeremy. You guys are more than welcome to join and see what kind of damage we can do with 5K. And the main purpose is for a lot of we hear all the time, like, I don't have enough money to trade with, and how am I supposed to make money, and I'm just getting started. Everybody starts from somewhere. Whatever you have, that's great. But we're building a separate account out for $5,000 each. And throughout the course of the year, we're going to be making trades. We'll be posting some video updates based on our portfolio, just to show the progress of what you can do and what's the real expectations within the limits of 5K. We're all going to be dealing with the same PDT rules and everything else the same exact way that anybody coming in fresh with 5,000 would be able to do. We're going to see what kind of progress we can make. And again, you don't have to start with 5,000. You can start with 10,000, 15,000 if this is your full account and what you're trading with. But we're going to see what kind of progress we can make during the course of the year. We can use any strategies that we want, so we're not limiting our style of trading. So whether you want to do just stick to stocks, you want to do options, credit spreads, it's completely up to you as far as the strategy that you take. But you're definitely welcome to join us. We look forward to making some future updates with all of you guys as far as the progression, and I think we're going to try to set up some kind of Excel spreadsheet as well for you guys to view too. But keep trading. We'll see you guys out there.
Hey everyone, I am Tony Palick from Real Life Trading. Super pumped to be a part of this 5K challenge. Want to take a few minutes to share with you my plan. So my big ambitious plan is to triple my account this year using just credit spreads. So that's what I'm gonna do. I am going to mainly start out with all credit spreads to build this account. My goal is to make about $1,000 a month. And with that, I should achieve my goal of tripling this account by this year. So there's a chance when I have a little bit more capital behind me, I might throw in a couple leaps here and there. But for the most part, I plan on being just all options and growing with credit spreads. I want to prove that it's possible. I know that it's possible. I get this question all the time. Can I trade credit spreads with 5,000 bucks? I don't recommend it, but at least after this year, I'll be able to have some evidence and prove that yes, it's very possible. This is what I've done. And I'm super excited to be a part of this. Again, appreciate the invite and keep you up to date with what happens. So I'll see you later, guys.